Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use simple face wash. Start with clean hands to prevent transferring dirt to your face. Before applying any face wash, it's crucial to remove all makeup and sunscreen. This ensures the cleanser can effectively reach and clean your skin. Pull your hair back to keep it out of the way, then gently splash your face with lukewarm water. This prepares your skin for a thorough and refreshing cleanse. Now let's apply the face wash. Squeeze out a small, pea-sized amount into your palm. A little goes a long way. Gently rub your hands together to create a light lather. Then, using your fingertips, apply the lather to your face with soft, circular motions. Concentrate on areas prone to oiliness, like your forehead, nose, and chin, for about 30 seconds to ensure a deep clean. After cleansing, it's time to rinse. Use cool or lukewarm water to thoroughly wash away all the face wash. Make sure no residue remains, as this can lead to irritation. Once rinsed, gently pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Remember, patting is key. Avoid any harsh rubbing, which can be abrasive and potentially damage your delicate skin. Your skincare routine isn't complete after washing. Within 3 minutes of drying, apply a moisturizer to lock in hydration. If you use a toner, apply it first, followed by any serums. During the day, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from sun damage. Consistency is key for healthy, radiant skin.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.